Hello everyone, today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is factorization. So when a polynomial is expressed as the product of two or more expressions, each of these expressions is called a factor of the polynomial. And the process of writing an expressions in the form of terms or brackets multiplied together is called factorization. Now there are the many methods of factorization, but in this exercise we'll be just dealing with two methods, that is taking out the common factors and grouping. And here we start with exercise 5a. Now here we go with the first part of this exercise, and here we see we are having two bracket and a number over here. Here again two bracket and a number. Now from the numbers 2 and 6 we can take 2 as a common. So can write 2 over here. Then from the brackets we can take this bracket 2x minus 5y as a common. So we write this one 2x minus 5y, and this can't be taken as common, so the remaining part will be written in the next bracket. Here from the 2 everything is taken, so nothing is to be written. This bracket is taken as a whole. Now we are left with this bracket 3x plus 4y, and from here minus sign we have taken 2, so 2 3 times 6, so we are going to write 3 over here, and then this bracket is already taken out, so we are left with this bracket x minus y. Now we are going to open this bracket. Now on opening we have got this one, and now we can solve this one also. So on solving we see that 3x is cancelled by this 3x, and we are left with only these two, that is 4y and 3y, and that will be equals to 2 into 7y and this bracket 2x minus 5y. This 2 becomes 7y, and now they can be multiplied also, and it will be 14y and 2x minus 5y. Now let's see the other question. Now let's see the fourth question. Here we have to factorize this expression. Here we see we are having a minus b in this bracket, and here it is 5a minus 5b. If we take 5 common from these two, we will again get 5a minus b in a bracket, and from these two we are having b 2b minus 2a. This means we have to take minus 2 common from these two, so that we may get a minus b in the bracket. Now here we have written this one like this. We have just copied this one, and from these two we have taken 5 common and multiplied by 3, we got 15, and from these two we have taken minus 2 as common and multiplied by 4, we have got 8, and in a bracket we have got a minus b, and here too it is a minus b. Now we can take a minus b as common. Here we get, after taking a minus b as common, as 2x from here, 15y from here, and 8z from here in the next bracket. Now let's see the fifth question. Here we are having this expression, and from first two we can take a as common, and from these two we can take minus 3 as common. On taking common we have got this, and now we can take the brackets as common, and hence we got a square plus 1 in a bracket and a minus 3 in another. Now let's see the 16th question. Here again we are having 16a plus b to the whole square and minus 4ab. So from these two we can take minus 4 as common, and on taking minus 4 as common we will be getting a plus b in a bracket, which will be the same as this one. Now after taking minus 4 common from these two, we see that in these two numbers 4 can also be taken as common, so we can take 4 from the numbers and a plus b from the brackets as a common. On taking 4a plus b common, we are left with 4 from the 16 and one bracket a plus b, and then minus 1 because whole of this is taken as common. Now open the bracket, 4a plus b and 4a plus 4b minus 1, and that's the answer. Now here we have got the question number 9, that is ab with a bracket and then x with this bracket. Now we have to solve it, and before solving it we have to first of all open the brackets, and for doing so we have to multiply these two and we have got this expression. And now the step what we have to do, we have to just shift this to the last. We have to shift the second number to the last to arrange them. And here I have shifted the second term to the last and we have got this. Now we can take a common from these two and this one. Now here I have taken ax common from these two, and after taking ax common we are left with one b and one x. Then from these two, this one we have taken ax, so only a is left over here. And now from these two we have taken only b because b can only be taken common from both of it. So we are left with bx from here and a from here. Now from these two bracket we can see the bracket is common, so we can write this one as bx plus a and ax plus b. Now let's see question number 10. Here we see that is a square plus b minus ab minus a. Again we can't take anything common from these two, so we are going to shift this b to the last. After shifting we can take the commons. Now from the first two we can take a as common and we'll be left with a minus b. And now from these two we can take minus 1 as common, and after taking minus 1 as common you will be left with a minus b. Now the brackets are same, so we can take the bracket as common, a minus b, and here we will left with a minus 1. That's the answer for this question. Now we go for question number 11. Here we are having ax plus by to the whole square plus bx minus ay to the whole square. So very first of all we have to open the bracket in the form of a plus b to the whole square, and after that we are going to proceed it. After opening the bracket we have got a square plus b square plus 2ab for this one, and here a square plus b square minus 2ab for this one. Here we see we are having ax and by, and I have written this one as a plus ab and xy in a algebraic method in alphabetical order. Now we see that this one is plus and this one is minus, so they will be cancelled out, and after that we are going to just shift the second term to the last again to take the common. Now here we have shifted this to the last, and now we can take the common of x square from the first two, and we will be left with a square plus b square, and from these two we can take y square as common and we will be left with a square plus b square. Now the bracket can be taken as common, so a square plus b square, and here it is will be x square plus y square. Now let's see question number 12. Here in this type of question we have been given the middle two terms in a bracket with some product. Now first of all we are going to open this bracket and then we are going to proceed the question. After opening the bracket we are going to take the common from the first two, and here a and x square can be taken as common. From here we are left with a, and from here we will be left with x. Now from these two only one can be taken as common, so it will be x plus a. Now in a bracket we are having a plus x and x plus a. As you all know that is addition is commutative. Either we write a plus x or x plus a, they both are going to give the same answer. So we can take one of it, a plus x, and in the next bracket we will be going to write this one, a x square plus 1. Now let's see the next question. Here again we see that a in a bracket we are having a minus 4, and here we are having minus a and plus 4. So we have to just take minus 1 common from this one, so we can write this one as a minus 4, and now on taking minus 1 common from this we will be getting a minus 4, and now the brackets are common, so we can take this one as a minus 4 as a common and we will be left with a minus 1. Now let's see question number 16. Here in this question we are having a square plus 1 upon a square minus 2, and as we all know that this whole expression is the expansion of a minus 1 upon a to the whole square. So this will be written as a minus 1 upon a to the whole square. This whole expression is converted into this one. And now from these two, we can take minus 3 as common and we'll be left with a minus 1 upon a. Now we see that the brackets are common in both of the cases. So this can be written as a minus 1 upon a in one bracket, and in the other bracket it will be a minus 1 upon a, which is a left of one of it, and then minus 3 from here. That's the answer for this question. Here we have question number 17. In this one, x square plus y square plus x plus y and plus 2xy. If we rearrange and this put 2xy with this one, x square plus y square and plus 2xy, this will give you the whole square of x plus y. And here we get x square plus y square plus 2xy, and that is the square of this one. And now these two, we can take one common from these two and we can write this one as 1x plus y. Now from these two we can see the bracket is common and we can take x plus y as a common from these two, and now we have taken x plus y common and we'll be left with one of the bracket, that is x plus y, and then plus 1 from here. Now let's see question number 18. Here in this question again, this is a square of a, this is a square of 2b, and from these two we can get this one also. If we are going to arrange this all three, we will be having the expansion of a minus 2b to the whole square. Here we have got this. We have written this a square, 4b square is written as 2b to the whole square. This is written in this form 2 dot a dot 2b. If you are going to solve this, you will be getting this again, and these two are being copied over here. And as this is the expansion of this one, we have written this one as a whole square. And now from these two, we can take 3 as common and we'll be left with a minus 2b. Now the bracket is common, so we can take the bracket common and we'll be left with a minus 2b in one bracket, and in the other a minus 2b of the bracket of the whole square and minus 3 from here. Now let's see question number 19. Here we are having this expression in a bracket. Over here we see that it is x minus 3y, and here it is x 3y minus x. So to change this one into x minus 3y, we are going to take minus 1 as common from these two, and from these two we can take 5 common and we will be left with x minus 3y over here also. Now here we have taken the common of minus from there, and here we have taken 5 as common, and now we are left with this one. Now we have to take a common of x minus 3y from all of the three, and here we will be left with m and one bracket, that is x minus 3y, and from here we will be left with only minus n, and from here only 5. Now we have to open the bracket and it will be x minus 3y and then mx minus 3my minus n and plus 5. That's all in this video. We're going to do the next exercise in the next one. Thank you.